a large bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, beat the butter until it is light and fluffy. Add the sugar and beat this mixture until it is light and fluffy. Add eggs, one at a time, to the butter mixture, beating after each addition until incorporated. Beat in the vanilla and peppermint extracts. Add in the flour mixture in 3 separate additions, beating on low until the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. This holiday cookie recipe has a streamlined list of ingredients, many of which are already in your kitchen. Bake these holiday pinwheel cookies and your friends will be begging you to be their holiday baker. Place dough on a cutting board and divide in half. Form one of the portions into a 4x4-inch square and wrap in plastic wrap. Place the remaining portions of dough into the bowl of the stand mixer. Add 4 drops of food coloring and mix until the dough turns an even color of red. Add more food coloring if necessary to reach your desired color. Form this portion of dough into a 4x4-inch square and wrap in plastic wrap. Refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes. Using a ruler to measure, cut each square of dough into 4 equal-sized strips. Place 3 strips of red dough and 4 strips of the cream-colored dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Refrigerate the dough until ready to use. On a lightly floured sheet of parchment paper, use a rolling pin to roll the strip of red dough into a 6x7-inch rectangle. To keep the parchment paper from slipping, use tape to secure it. Repeat this process with a strip of cream-colored dough on a separate sheet of parchment paper. Using parchment paper, flip the cream-colored sheet of dough on top of the red sheet, aligning the edges. Repeat this process with another strip of red dough and cream-colored dough. You will have a 4-layer sheet of dough alternating the red and cream-colored sheets. Roll the layered dough into a log and trim the edges. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Repeat the layering process with the remaining 2 strips of red dough and 2 strips of cream-colored dough. Unwrap the logs and roll them in colored sprinkles until they are generously covered. Rewrap the logs and refrigerate for 3 hours or until the dough is very firm. Using a sharp knife or dough cutter, slice the logs crosswise into 1/4-inch slices. Place the slices on parchment-lined baking sheets. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes.